Hello and welcome to Gru's Garage. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we're checking out the Eibach Suspension for our 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. I do apologize, the video you're going to see upcoming here in a few moments is going to be in portrait mode, but that's the only way I was able to get our GoPro up under the wheel well. So we're going to see some real-time footage of it in travel while going down the road, so you'll actually see the compression, depression of the suspension, as well as the CV joints and everything else moving together in tandem. Pretty cool video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Any questions or comments, please drop below, and please consider subscribing, and let's get to it.